So the problem before I had my treatment was I was eating something and I felt like something had cracked in my tooth. And so I then felt that there was something wrong in the large tooth at the back, and a bit was missing. So I looked to have an emergency appointment right away. Well, I see Paul, and he's been looking after me for 4 years now. I have quite a phobia to dentists and wasn't looking forward to it, but he's got such a calm approach. He always explains everything to me. I never feel stressed, I always feel comfortable, and I'm no longer worried about coming to the dentist. The process of the treatment was really good. I rang and got a same-day appointment. I went to see Paul, my dentist, who put in a temporary crown. 2 weeks later I came back. He did a scan. He actually was able to make the permanent crown there and then. I waited for an hour, came back in. Cerec crown was put in, beautifully fitted, and that was it. I got it all done on the same day. I was really pleased with. The advice I would give is to come along and meet with Paul or with Patrick. They're both really approachable. Have a full assessment, find out what you need to have done, and just feel comfortable knowing that you're getting the best treatment that you can. I would recommend this practice to others and have done on many occasions, with friends and family as well. So I don't think there's anything better than a recommendation from your own experience, and my experience has been really positive.